3, 2, 1.
A ship has a satellite communication device to identify the ship's position at sea. For which of the following activities is this device most likely used? The answer is B. Guidance. What element chemically weathers rock by combining with a metal? The answer is A. Oxygen. Which continent has the fewest number of countries? The answer is D. Antarctica. Which river is called the Nile of Africa? The answer is B. Congo River. Which instrument is associated with the bagpipe? The answer is A. Flute. What is the chemical name for the compound that gives baking soda its fizz when heated or mixed with an acid? The answer is A. Sodium bicarbonate. What is the name of a kitchen tool with long, thin handles and flat blades for stirring or lifting food? The answer is C. Ladle. Which form of water, when present in the atmosphere, is most likely to contribute to global warming? The answer is C. Vapor. Who is the only person to win the Triple Crown of thoroughbred racing? The answer is A. Secretariat. Which emperor started construction on the Great Wall of China? The answer is A. Emperor Qin Shi Huang. What type of food is the Spanish dish called escalivada, which originated in Catalonia, Spain? The answer is D. Salad. A student is investigating in which type of soil a plant will grow best. Which should the student measure to answer the question? The answer is A. Height of the plants. Which of the following was a key factor in the Spanish conquest of Honduras? The answer is B. Silver mining. Which TV series is about a boy who falls into a well? The answer is D. Twin Peaks. Which of these things is something you should never feed your dog? The answer is B. Chocolate. Which philosopher proposed the theory of cogito, ergo sum? The answer is B. Spinoza. What is the world's most serious resource problem? The answer is B. Water scarcity. Mesopotamia is the former name of what country? The answer is A. Iraq. What was the name of the Lithuanian god of the sky, earth, sea and all living creatures who decided to punish mankind and sent to the earth the spirit of water and the spirit of wind? The answer is D. Prometheus. A glass of ice water is placed on a table. After 10 minutes, there are drops of water on the outside surface of the glass. Which change in phase caused the drops of water? The answer is D. Water vapor from the air condensed into a liquid. Which acid maintains pH in our body cells? The answer is C. Carbonic. What are formed by the attraction between oppositely charged ions? The answer is B. Ionic bonds. What is the main component of a typical flashlight? The answer is B. Battery. What was the name of the team of misfits in the film Major League? The answer is B. Cleveland Indians. What is the architecture style of the White House? The answer is C. Roman III. Neoclassical. Which fruit is not native to North America? The answer is D. Strawberry. Which hurricane caused the most damage in the United States? The answer is A. Hurricane Katrina. What is the name of the darkest known place in the universe? The answer is C. Akron Abyss. Which fruit starts with the letter P, is purple and often used in pies? The answer is B. Plum. Which rainforest is known as the lungs of the earth? The answer is A. Amazon. What is the main equipment used in golf? The answer is D. Club. Della has a mixture of soil and water in a jar. Which of the following tools would best help Della separate the soil from the water? The answer is A. A filter. Which unit can be used to describe an object's length? The answer is D. Meters. Because conifers carry both male and female sporophylls on the same mature sporophyte, they are considered what type of plant? The answer is C. Monoecious. Which fruit is often served atop crepes in France? The answer is C. Strawberry. Digestive enzymes, including which enzyme, start breaking down starches into sugars? The answer is B. Amylase. In the second chapter of the book of Daniel, what did King Nebuchadnezzar have a dream about? The answer is D. A statue. The term ion applies to entire molecules that are? The answer is D. Electrically charged. What keeps you dry when it rains, but is not an umbrella? The answer is D. Waterproof jacket. What was the name of the crazy colonel from the CIA and the TV series M*A*S*H? The answer is A. Carl Flev. Compared to others, what type of liquid has a relatively high surface tension and heat capacity? The answer is A. Water. Which event is an example of a chemical change? The answer is B. Wood burning in a fireplace. Which vegetable resembles a small, yellow-skinned, potato-like tuber? The answer is C. Sweet potato. Which Rolling Stones band member's real name is William Perks? The answer is A. Bill Wyman. Which theory proposes that humans have an innate desire for growth and self-actualization? The answer is A. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Which game features the character Master Chief in the Halo universe? The answer is C. Halo. On what part of her body did actress and singer Dolly Parton get a butterfly tattoo? The answer is D. On her chest. What fruit can you wear on your head? The answer is A. Coconut. Which of these elements is not likely to be found in an organic compound? The answer is D. Potassium. Scientists generally recognized how many major mass extinctions in the history of life on Earth?